For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
As the world continues to struggle with a probable cure for COVID-19, yet another drug bites the dust. In February this year, the Indian Council of Medical Research had obtained clearance for using the drugs. Later, the ICMR released a protocol for restricted public health emergency use of lopinavir and ritonavir. However, a research conducted at the University of Oxford reports the drug combo does not show any benefits. In the trial, 1,596 COVID-19 patients were randomly assigned to be administered the drug. The outcome was compared to 3,376 patients assigned to get only standard care. Of the patients, 4% required invasive mechanical ventilation when they entered the trial. Another 70% required oxygen alone, while 26% did not require any respiratory intervention. The researchers noted no difference in the primary endpoint of 28-day mortality. 28-day mortality refers to deaths occurring within 28 days from the commencement of the trial. The results showed a negligible difference in the 28-day mortality between both the groups. There was no evidence that the drug combo was beneficial to patients at risk of mechanical ventilation.
Today, the trial steering committee concluded that there is no beneficial effect of lopinavir-ritonavir in patients hospitalized with COVID-19. Data convincingly rule out any meaningful mortality benefit of lopinavir-ritonavir in the hospitalized COVID-19 patients we studied.
One of the trial investigators stressed that the guidelines recommending lopinavir and ritonavir should be changed.
In many countries, current guidelines recommend lopinavir-ritonavir as a treatment for COVID-19. The results from this trial together were revisions to those guidelines and changes to the way individual patients are treated.
Lopinavir and ritonavir are usually used as a second-line anti-HIV drugs. After the clearance by the ICMR, the drugs were used in some COVID-19 patients in early March. This drug combination was also used in Savai Mansingh Hospital in Jaipur. The doctors at the hospital in Jaipur used the drugs to treat 2 Italian patients. Following the announcement of their recovery, the ICMR had approved the use of this drug in patients above 60 years. Lopinavir and ritonavir were thought to be a game changer in curing COVID-19. But sadly, these drugs too have been shot down.